Welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we're showing you exactly how to import products to Shopify. So what you want to do is navigate to your products. You should see an import button in the top right corner. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And what we need is a CSV template. All right. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and add our file. We have our product right here exported from a different Shopify store, which we showed in a different video. If you guys are lost from this point, you can go ahead and watch that. We'll show you how to actually export a product from a Shopify store. And if you follow the instructions outlined in that video, you're going to be able to just simply click on the file and click open. All right. Now, we're going to have the ability to publish the new product to all sales channels. In this case, I'm working off of a Shopify theme that has yet to be pushed live. So we're just going to go ahead and click upload and preview. Now, this could take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. It will give you a simple preview of everything first, and then we're going to go ahead and be able to import those products. Now, this is where you might have to wait for a few minutes, but we'll come back once this is imported and show you guys what happened. All right, so as you can see, this product imported. Of course, you can go ahead and click on it. You can review all of the final, details there, and make sure that everything is up to your standards. After that, you can come back and you can keep doing it. You could also subscribe to the channel if you enjoy short, simple software-based tutorials and all kinds of different softwares. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.